My due respect to the dignitaries of the head table, headed by the school's division superintendent, Ma'am Joseta B. Carmen, duly represented by Ma'am Giselle Taray. Ma'am. Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Joel P. Lungaket, Sir. Ma'am Saguro P. Opos, our school principal, Ma'am. To our barangay captain, Honorable Ulysses M. Binigyan, visitors, our dear mentors, lovely parents, and co-graduates. Mahagsay morning, everyone! Today marks not just the end of our journey in elementary school, but the beginning of new dreams, new challenges, and new opportunities. As we stand here, proud and hopeful, we celebrate the lessons we've learned, the friendships we've cherished, and the character we built along the way. Together, we are the proud Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. Looking back at our journey, we can't help but wonder at how far we have come. We entered this educational system as wide-eyed children filled with innocence and curiosity. Little did we know that this path would test our limits, challenge our intellect, and mold us into the resilient individuals we are today. Throughout our years in this institution, we encountered numerous hurdles that threatened to shake our resolve. We faced sleepless nights, demanding deadlines and exams that once felt impossible to overcome, but through it all, we learned the true meaning of perseverance. We discovered that success is not solely measured by our intelligence or natural talents, but by our unwavering determination to push through despite the odds. Our journey was far from easy. There were moments of doubt when we questioned our abilities and wondered if we would ever reach the finish line. But it was during those moments that we found strength in unity. We formed study groups, supported each other through hardships, and lifted one another up when we stumbled. Together, we proved that solidarity and collaboration are the cornerstones of success. As we celebrate this milestone today, let us also take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to our dedicated teachers and mentors. They tirelessly nurtured our minds, challenged our assumptions, and encouraged us to strive for excellence. They saw our potential when we doubted ourselves and pushed us beyond our perceived limits. Their guidance and wisdom has shaped us into the competent individuals we are today. We must also acknowledge the unwavering support of our families and loved ones. They stood by our side through thick and thin. Their sacrifices, both seen and unseen, have paved the way for our success. Today, we share this triumph with them, for they have been our unwavering cheerleaders on this challenging journey. Special mention to my Papa Allen and Mama Jilimer, and more especially to my grandmother, Nanay Inday Edelmera. I saw how you strive to support me in everything I do. Thank you for the love. Soon, I will be able to give back all your sacrifices and these medals. Mauni akong pasiuna nga pagbalik sa tanan sakripisyo. As we bid farewell to this familiar institution, let us embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. We are well equipped with the knowledge and skills to conquer the world. Let us carry with us the lessons we have learned here and continue to be lifelong learners, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. Remember that success is not measured by the awards we receive or the positions we hold. It is defined by the impact we make on the lives of others. Let us use our education as a powerful tool to uplift our communities, to advocate for justice and equality, and to create positive change in the world. Lastly, my fellow graduates, let us take a moment to reflect on our individual journeys, appreciating the hard work, the sacrifices, and the perseverance that brought us to this very moment. Our graduation is not just a culmination of academic achievements, It is a testament to our resilience and determination. As we step into the vast unknown of the future, let us face it with an unwavering courage and an unyielding belief in our abilities. Together, we are the embodiment of solid education. Together, we are the Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. Congratulations, class of 2026! May our futures be as bright and promising as the path we have treaded to reach this very day. Keep going, mga miga ug migo. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Pledge of loyalty will be